Atul Shah, spokesperson of the Maharashtra BJP. Mahesh Tapase is a spokesperson of the Nationalist Congress Party, Sharad Pawar's party, making his first appearance on News Hour tonight. Kumar Ketkar, my first question is to you, Chief Editor of the Daily Divya Marathi of the Bhaskar Group. If you made such a song and dance about it, as in not you, Mr. Ketkar, Prithviraj Chavan, should he just say, let's give up power now? A lot of people are actually saying that, give up power, choose propriety over power.
Where is the question of Prithviraj Chavan giving up power? The conflict is intra-BJP conflict, intra-Congress conflict.
Is it?
BJP was demanding Ajit Pawar's resignation, as Munde just said. So it was BJP versus NCP. Congress was not in the picture at the moment because even Mr. Pandre was raising doubts and raising issues mainly concerning NCP ministers. It began with
you're
Kirit
talking
Somaiya
about a man
fighting
who's
against
Mr.
Tatkare.
Clean. His image has been
Somaiya
Mr.
fighting
Clean.
against Tatkare and Bhujbal scams, and that's how actually began to emerge into a big crisis.
In the center,
Ajit Pawar apparently was cornered by the BJP campaign, by the media campaign, by Mr. Pandre's letter. So Prithviraj Chavan's question doesn't arise here.
When questions were brought
But
about
what
A.
has
Raja, at that
happened
time,
actually,
the Prime Minister said there were coalition
No, but you are
compulsions.
talking about corruption and propriety. What I'm saying is that the name
Power
of the
or
game...
propriety?
Yeah, but the name of the game has changed.
Why?
From corruption and scam, Ajit Pawar has turned the table and said, well, it is not corruption issue, it is a question of power issue. And
No,
power
but it is
where?
completely a corruption issue.
It is a corruption issue, but in effect, today's discourse is actually taking place about Ajit Pawar's
No, but we can't let it become like. Can we make
the
it?
propriety is about Ajit Pawar's resignation, propriety of resignation,
No, it's
not propriety of corruption.
No, it's the propriety of
Unfortunately,
corruption.
you can say.
Mr. Ketkar, I completely would like to take you on that.
Unfortunately, I'm not saying it is desirable or justifiable.
No, but it can't be allowed to
Ajit
become.
Pawar has changed the name of the game.
Can that be allowed to happen? Atul Shah, your response to the initial observations of Kumar
Absolutely
Ketkar.
not, because here Prithviraj Chavan has to take the call. He has to accept the resignation of Sharad Pawar. Ajit Pawar.
Ajit Pawar.
He should not stick to the power now. Whatever happens, whether he's shunted out or not, but he should act. Here, Mr. Kumar said that Ajit Pawar is cornered because of this Tatkare and Bhujbal. No. The real reason is 70,000 crores of rupees contracts,
yes,
and just 0.1% of irrigation land. Who can believe this? So there is everything. Bhujbal, Tatkare Saab, irrigation scam, everything is here. BJP demands not only the resignation of this government now, but a full-fledged inquiry by SIT, Special Investigation Team.
It seems you've been grudgingly made to say this. Nitin Gadkari didn't say anything till now. Now you're sort of following on this. What did the BJP say all this while?
No.
Did Nitin Gadkari talk about this scam even once? I'd like to get back to the NCP, however. I want to get in Mahesh at this stage. Mahesh, power versus propriety, this kind of political blackmail by Ajit Pawar, which has been going on, cannot change the discourse. The issue is still the scam.
See, Ajit Pawar is a very candid kind of person. He has absolutely made it very clear that if there are allegations which are leveled against him, he is going to put in his papers. And if you would have
He's
seen
going to, I thought he already had.
No, he has. That's what I'm saying. He has put in his papers. And that is the reason why he said that all the other portfolios should be bifurcated. What Mr. Tope
No, that's not
second
true.
two.
The NCP is simply using this, isn't it, Mr. Kumar Ketkar, as political blackmail. Otherwise, yesterday, all the NCP ministers said we'd resign.
It is not NCP.
NCP ministers have tendered their resignation to the NCP state president, Mr. Madhukar Pichar.
You are trying to project yourself that's like some kind of a victim. Take a high moral ground, and that's where Kumar Ketkar came from. How can the alleged proponent of a scam, take a high moral ground and start playing the victim? In which other country in the world does this happen?
Let me tell you, I agree with Atul that the scam must be exposed, scam must be investigated. I never said it shouldn't be. What I am merely trying to say is that by Ajit Pawar's resignation, I don't think he is going on a high moral ground.
Of course
he has changed. No, I don't think he is going on a moral ground. He has changed the political discourse within the NCP.
But that's a narrow discourse. That's between a group of politicians.
You are saying
what
NCP,
about among the people?
No, but you are saying NCP. Actually, NCP itself is divided. Completely divided on this issue. NCP is divided between Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar. Ajit Pawar has the following among the MLAs, and Sharad Pawar is fighting whom? See, Arnab, Sharad Pawar is not fighting Prithviraj Chavan. Sharad Pawar is not fighting scam. Sharad Pawar is fighting Ajit Pawar's clout.
What I find extremely surprising in all of this is Mr. Clean Prithviraj Chavan won't give up power, will do a deal with the NCP.
I don't think so.
And eventually continue. There'll be some other deputy chief minister. Mr. Clean Prithviraj Chavan has also not acted against Chhagan Bhujbal. So all of this is only part of a deal. On the other hand, the NCP too eventually will carry out some kind of a quiet compromise after taking a high moral ground.
Actually,
what
Sharad
happens to the
Pawar's
scam
political
itself?
skills for the first time are on test in last 5 years.
Is this about
Because he has
Sharad
to
Pawar's
handle-
political skills?
Yes, now
Or is this about
unfortunately-
cheating the
now,
nation?
Unfortunately, it's not a question
No,
of
they're
corruption,
both
but Sharad Pawar's political
Here
skills.
it is, Mr. Ketkar is right in a way. Sharad Pawar's authority is challenged. There is a war between power and power. There is a war between Congress and NCP. And so here, now Sharad Pawar is a worried man today.
No, but this was supposed to be about zero tolerance to corruption. That's what it was all about.
Yes, correct. Now, this is not going to be a very easy way because here Ajit Pawar is resigning as a deputy chief minister, but he is not asking Bhujbal and Tatkare to resign. They should have resigned 3 months ago. We had to knock the doors.
Mahesh.
In the Vidhan Sabha. In the Vidhan Sabha, R.R. Patil says you bring.
Tell me. You can tell me.
I wouldn't totally subscribe
in
to what
the
Mr.
Vidhan
Shah
Sabha,
said.
no.
Let me. There is no rift as far as Mr. Senior Pawar or Mr. Ajit Pawar is concerned. You have to realize that Ajit Pawar has tendered his resignation the moment there was some kind of campaign against him, and he said that after tendering this resignation, and now I demand that there should be a CBI inquiry or whichever inquiry that the state government may find appropriate, he is willing to face that. He also said that white paper on
He is
irrigation-
only doing this to keep his relevance and importance in the Maharashtra politics to
Not
fight
at all.
with his
See,
uncle.
I really do not subscribe to that. Even Mr.
He is
Sharad Pawar has
only
said-
interested in stumping both the Congress party and his uncle at the same time.
I really wouldn't agree to that. Mr.
That is the general perception.
Sharad
It is all
Pawar
one
has
upmanship
said,
he wants to have.
Mr. Sharad Pawar has
If
said
he
that
was so-
Ajit
if-
Pawar has all the
if he
moral
was
right
so serious
to
about the
not
inquiry,
continue in the government
and
if he feels
he
that
was
there
so
is some
serious
kind of
about the
allegation against
inquiry,
him.
he should have initiated the inquiry. R.R. Patil said in the floor of the house that you bring this thing, evidences, we will lodge an inquiry, but nothing has happened. On the contrary, 3 months Kirit Somaiya had to run about with the agencies, the Anti-Corruption Bureau, which was supposed to inquire. Why did you not allow the inquiry to be made?
But who is running away from the inquiry? Mr.
No,
Ajit
it is
Pawar,
not
after
initiated.
stepping down, the first thing he says that you put up a commission and inquire
So
the
this
whole
is
thing.
what I'm saying.
So
Let
where
me-
are we denying? He is not.
but
Ajit Pawar
we
has
are-
not denied any kind
see,
of
both the
allegation. He
Congress
said, yes, you can put any
Congress
kind of
and
inquiry.
NCP, Rajendra Darda, Devkar, then Bhujbal, Tatkare, the allegations on everybody. What sort of inquiry you have?
If
You were
Mr.
deputy chief minister.
If Mr. Pawar wants to explain himself, then tell me once, Mahesh.
You mean the senior Mr. Pawar? The junior
the
Mr.
junior Mr. Pawar. If Ajit Pawar wants to explain to the people of India what his role is or is not in the 70,000 crore rupees scam, the appropriate thing for him is to take straight questions on that.
Absolutely.
Today, he is only willing to talk about his resignation. Do all this drama of a resignation, create the kind of tamasha. I can run pictures right now for you what was happening in the assembly today. Let's play those pictures of what was happening in the assembly. There was this major drama going on. It was almost as if, Mahesh, there was some kind of a victory celebration going on. Here you have a serious corruption charge, 72,000 crore rupees of taxpayer money lost, and we witnessed this kind of, euphoric celebration, almost a riotous situation in the assembly, a free-for-all. It seemed like everyone was having a lot of fun at the taxpayers' expense. Mr. Ajit Pawar needs to answer some straight questions on the scam
Ajit
itself.
Pawar, when he took the press conference yesterday in Mumbai, and if you would have seen the entire press note that he has given, 80-90% of the press note speaks about the irrigation issue and how it has been misrepresented to the people.
Yes.
Only the last 2 lines say, just to facilitate some kind of inquiry, I am stepping down not only as a deputy CM but also as a minister from this government. Now I am a common person, a common MLA, and the government, if it deems fit, it can institute any kind of inquiry for me.
This is
Secondly,
to use a scam as political football is tragic.
Absolutely not.
To
He
use
has
a
come
scam
out-
as political
he
football
has
is
come
tragic,
out
Mahesh.
very, very clean on this.
That is
And
your
it-
impression.
No,
He has
no,
not answered a
on
single
the
question.
contrary,
See,
I
he
don't
has
know.
not-
Tell me one thing. Will Mr. Ajit Pawar come on the news hour tomorrow, day after, and take some straight questions?
Of course, why he has said that I'm willing
Because
to
I have a
face-
lot of viewers who have been asking me, me, why doesn't Ajit Pawar come on the news hour and take
But
some
he will
straight
be
questions?
coming. See,
On the
as
He
of
has not
now-
accepted our interview request.
Let me just be sure. As of now, everybody is talking about his sudden status, which has changed from deputy
That's
CM
hardly
to
an
an
issue.
MLA.
I'm saying that's not an issue.
But whenever there is some kind of discussion on the entire irrigation project, why Gosikurd has taken time, why Lower Tapi has taken time, I'm sure that he's people
Well, then
are
I'm
going
saying
to
this
ask-
on record tonight. I'm
I-
putting this
I-
invitation, and maybe you can take it across to him. Let Mr. Ajit Pawar come either on the news hour or on Frankly Speaking. We'll do a detailed interview with him on the
I am
scam.
trying to
Arun,
tell you.
on the contrary.
I am trying
One
to
minute.
tell you.
On the contrary, Ajit Pawar should have gone to the chief minister. There are allegations against our ministers,
Yeah.
both from Congress and the NCP. Why not initiate an inquiry? They don't do that.
Okay.
They do the drama of high moral ground just for themselves. So they should have asked their ministers, both of them. Sharad Pawar is talking about stability of the state. Stability would have definitely been there. They are elected to power for 5 years. They should have initiated an inquiry. Why now put papers with chief minister?
A simple point here. At the end of the day, trust me, Mahesh, people who are watching today, your party people may be interested in the politics, maybe even the BJPs, but believe me, if you ask anyone watching the news hour or outside, I can in fact open up the phone line right now and ask them whether they are interested in the politics. They'll say, we are not interested in the politics. We are interested in the scam. Using politics to deflect the detailed issues of the scam is not going to work beyond a few days perhaps, and I'm sure your party leader knows that.
Arnab, I am trying
Yeah.
to tell you the same thing. Here, Mr. Ajit Pawar has stepped down just to see that whatever inquiry is taking place, he can probably put his real picture in front of the inquiry.
I'm sure
had he been a deputy
I'm
chief
sure he
minister,
could have said it
had
earlier.
he, of course, that's what he said in the media briefing, which he said.
Well, in that case, maybe the chief minister should put a 15-day or 1-month deadline to the presentation of a white paper.
True.
That's
If
up
the
to
chief
government
minister
to
doesn't do
decide.
that, then he's playing for time.
Mr.
Correct.
Ajit Pawar's
From
heart is
December,
very
the white
clear,
paper was demanded.
and
Yeah.
But still the white paper is not. So somewhere even the chief minister is trying to show his clean image.
Yeah.
But he's not acting. He should have been acted upon that.
The reason we are debating this, and Chief Minister must answer, the reason we are debating this is because across India, people are horrified that in one state, a scam potentially of 72,000 crore rupees can be allowed to happen. I'm wrapping up this
Not
discussion.
only 72,000 crores, Arunab. You are forgetting the scams of the ministers of Congress and NCP both. This goes to 1,50,000.
Well, I will go into this in detail, but as once again, Mahesh, perhaps you can tell Mr. Ajit Pawar he should come on the news hour. On Times Now, we ask him some straight questions. Let the viewers have an opportunity to judge the facts for themselves. Mahesh, it's good to see you tonight. Thank you very much, Atul, for joining us as well.